Hey, it's Cool with EMP here with another assembly video on a diffuser, and this one is actually the first one that we are making in a different way. We have figured out how to make these a lot faster and a lot easier. So hopefully this type of assembly will ease your mind a little bit if you're worried about having to assemble it with all the L brackets and screws and whatnot. So I'm going to show you how this all works. So we're going to start with the side blades and the side blade holders. So you'll take the piece that looks like this and the blade that looks like this. So this blade has that straight angled back. So you're going to assemble this one on this piece. And make sure whenever you install them that they are mirrored like this. So you'll install this one upright like that, and that one upright facing the other way. So to get these blades on here, literally all you need to do is you just slot them right through there. And it is going to take a little bit of force, but that's kind of the point here. So you don't need L brackets, it is just held on there with pure force. And then this little tab here, this raised up part, will go into that hole. So once you've pushed it enough, and you can see that it's in that hole, and you'll hear a little bit of a pop. I don't know if you heard it there, but you'll hear a little bit of a pop. And now it's inside that hole. So you can see from the bottom that we're all good there. So this one is ready to install in your car, just like that. Do the same for that other side, but I'm going to show you the center section now. Again, don't forget, mirror this, mirror that. So these largest blades are going to be going on the farthest outside slot on your center section. It's very important that you put these in the right place because it's going to be very hard to get them off if you do not put them on the right spot. So again, it's going to take a little bit of force, a little bit of wiggling around. Just try not to scratch your diffuser to the best of your ability, because we are not responsible for that. Ooh. Watch your hands too, because if it jumps like that, you might cut yourself. So that's that blade on there. Again, a little bit of force, and then you just got to make sure that it's inside that slot, just like the side blade holder. So it is. That's all good. All right, so the blades that look like this with the swooped back pieces, these are going to go on these two innermost slots on your center section. So once again, we will put that on the slot, and then we will start pushing that down. And then there you go. You can actually see it go into the slot if you're watching it, but there you go again. It's inside that little slot there. And now at this point, you just do the same for the rest of them. Again, these are orientated how they're supposed to go in there. So again, that swooped back one goes here, biggest one on the outermost side, and on this one, make sure you mirror it. So important. So, just like this. So, now that you've done that, we can go straight to the install and start screwing it onto the car. And just a quick little thing, if y'all are wanting to disassemble them, like if you're selling them or whatever you want to do with them, you can get like a little plastic squeegee type thing used to apply like vinyl or tint, things like that. And you can slide it inside there where the little notch is. And then once that's, like from the top, and once that's out, you can push it to the side like that. And then you'll have to just pull it off. And just fair warning, it's still going to take a lot of pressure. So don't like pull it off towards yourself, because you'll just end up going right at yourself. So Try and do it in a safe way that you're not going to hit anyone or anything when you're pulling it off, because it will come off with just explosive force. So that's how you disassemble it if you're wanting to do that.